So last year I planted a tree in honour of the Queen's Platinum Jubilee under the Queen's Green Canopy, and you can still get involved as it's been extended to the end of March. So to get involved, go to the website, click individual, scroll down until you come to explore the map, just there, click on that. And here you'll see many benefits to planting a tree. So go back up under search location, enter your postcode, find your area and then add tree. So fill out your name and your details, tell them what tree you're planting and add a photograph. Although don't take your photograph with your car in your background because it will be cropped. So this is me with my walnut tree, and I do wish you luck in planting your tree. Thanks for watching. Bye.